Hello everyone. Today's session I'm going to discuss about the left factoring. So as in previous sessions I have explained and I have given the main point that to apply any methods of top-down approaches, the grammar should be free from the ambiguous and left recursion and the left factoring. And in previous sessions I have given explanation regarding how to remove or how to eliminate the left recursion, and I have given the few examples also. So now we are going to be discussing about what is left factoring and how to remove the left factoring and make the grammar to be ready to apply any type of top-down methods or the top-down approaches. So if a given grammar, in any given grammar, if RHS is consisting of more than one production starts with the same symbol, then such grammar can be called it as the grammar with common prefixes. So if it was same production, suppose if we have the E derives E plus E or E plus T or E plus F and E plus some X, like this. Consider if the grammar is in this format, we can see here at the RHS side we have production 1, production 2, production 3 and production 4, some T. So let's take some 5 productions for a production E. So you can observe in these 5 productions, 4 production is having the same prefixes. Prefixes is nothing but the starting part of the production is similar, right? So you can observe the first production is consisting of E plus, second production is also consisting of E plus, third production is also consisting of E plus, and fourth production is also consisting of E plus. So such type of grammar, if you find out such type of productions in the grammar, we can call it as a grammar with common prefixes. Grammar with common prefixes. Here I have given one example also here. You can observe A derives alpha beta 1, alpha beta 2, alpha beta 3. So here in these 3 productions alpha is common, whereas beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 are different. I didn't given numbering to alpha. Why? Because it indicates the similar one. I have given numbering to the beta. It indicates a different terminals or non-terminals. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 may be of any terminals or non-terminals but different one. And alpha here are the similar, the same non-terminal or the same terminal. So if any grammar, in a grammar any production is in this format, then we can call it as the grammar with common prefixes. Grammar with common prefixes. So such type of grammar is not suitable for applying any method of top-down approaches or any technique of top-down approaches. So that we have to implement the left factoring. So we are going, by implementing the left factoring, we can able to identify the common prefixes, and these common prefixes are going to be transformed into another productions to make this grammar into a useful grammar for the construction of the parse tree. So here the common prefixes is transformed to make it useful for top-down parsers. So the grammar should not consist of ambiguity, the grammar should not consist of left recursion, and the grammar is free from the left factoring. So this is the we can call a grammar which is having the common prefixes will be converted into the useful grammar by eliminating the left factoring. So in such cases we have to perform a left factoring, which we can, so for this an example what we have here, A derives alpha beta 1 beta 1 or alpha beta 2 or alpha beta 3. So these alphas are common prefixes. By removing the left recursion, how we can rewrite it, how we can transform this, we can consider this is also a formula just like a left recursion to perform. We can remember this formula, you can apply it into the any grammar for easy removal or for easy elimination of the left factoring from the grammar. So now you can write it as A derives A derives beta A dash and A dash derives alpha 1, alpha 2 and the alpha 3. So like this you can eliminate the left factoring. So I can give one example, then you can easily understand. So consider this example. So here we have IETS, S derives IETS, S derives IETS ES, and S derives A and E derives B. So here this grammar is perfect, which can no need of transformation. It does not consist of any left recursion, and it does not consist of any common prefixes. So you can use this production as it is. But coming to the first production, here you can observe IETS both are common prefixes are there in the two productions. So you can rewrite it into S derives IETS, which is common prefixes that you have to consider, and what its non-terminal. S is its non-terminal, so I'm going to be writing S dash slash A is there, so as it is A can be written same in the same format. And what S dash derives? S dash derives what it is remaining here? ES is remaining. ES is remaining. These are the common prefixes and this is remaining. So that S dash derives ES or epsilon. ES or epsilon. And E derives B as usual. We are going to be considering the E derives B. This is how we are going to be transforming a common prefixes grammar into the usable grammar. So consider one more example here, the second example. Let's consider A derives some A, AB and A, BC and A, AC. So now you can check here A both are common, AB here, BC here and AC here. Now it is consisting of left factoring, common prefixes, so we can rewrite or we can transform it by eliminating the left factoring. So I can write it as A derives, what is common prefix here? A is common prefix, so that I will consider A, and which non-terminal is producing this production? A is producing, so that I am going to be writing A dash. And what A dash is going to be producing? What left in the productions here? In the first production, AB is left over, so I have written AB, and here BC is left over, so I have written BC here, and AC is left over here, so that I am going to be writing here AC. So like this you have to write like this. This is the removal of left factoring. Let's consider one more example here. S derives some BSS AAS or BSS ASB or BSB or A. So now you can consider here BSSA is common, BSSA is common, but here only BS is common. So instead of considering BSSA as the common, you can consider three commons from the prefixes. So if you consider BSSA as a common prefix, that is not common in the third production, right? So that in such cases you have to consider only how much terminals and non-terminals are having the common prefixes. So now you can observe here only BS, BS and BS are common here. So I can write S derives BS, and which production it from which non-terminal it is producing, so that S dash, and which is not a common in this production, A, so that I am going to be writing A as it is only. So now what S dash is going to be deriving? Only BS we have considered here and remaining is available, so that we have taken S, AAS, and here also we have considered only BS. So what are remaining? SA, SB, and here only BS we have considered. What else remaining here? B is there. So like this we can consider. So now here also you can observe SA and SA are the common prefixes are here. So that again you can consider here S dash derives. So what are common here? SA is common here. So that you can write SA as a common prefixes, and which it is going to be deriving? S dash is deriving. So for S double dash I am going to be considering. Right, for S we have considered S dash. So for S dash I am going to be considering the S double dash, and B is already there, so that I am going to be taking the B as usual. And what S double dash is going to be deriving? AS is not considered in this production, so that AS I am going to be considering. And what else here? SB is not considered. So like this now you can check A, here A is there, here S is there. So no common prefix available here, so that we can consider this grammar is the absolute grammar which we can apply, or useful grammar which is ready to apply any methods of the top-down approaches or top-down methods. Thank you.